everyone. My name is Simran Samdaria and I am studying in the third year at the ENTC department in Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune. Firstly, I would like to say that I hope everyone is keeping well inside their homes and with your families, because the COVID-19 pandemic, it has hit all of us really hard and it came out of nowhere. None of us were prepared, and now it's been really challenging to carry out our day-to-day life with some lockdown situations and all of that around us. Third year students, we had this opportunity this time to go out for the internship, out of the college, out of the curriculum, in every way. We were really looking forward to this opportunity, but something so unfortunate happened, and the companies where we were working went under a lockdown situation, due to which we were scared how to handle it and all. But I would just like to say that our institute and the way that our department has handled the situation is commendable. They came up with multiple options. They suggested us that we could take up some courses that could help us with our projects, ongoing projects at the industry. We could do that from Coursera or Udemy, which would also be a certified course. So that, or either if you wanted to do some proactive learning, we could learn about the subjects that we would be learning about in next semester, already in this semester through NPTEL. And there are multiple options, like if you have a skill, or any software related skill, and if it's good enough, you could hop on to sites like Topcoder or something, and they would pay you on hourly basis for any problem that you solve for them. So that was one. They also suggested, our faculty also gave us a brilliant idea, that if we have some hardware kits available at home, we could come up with small circuits or something really cool on our own during this quarantine period. So I think the way that they told us, that even in this quarantine period, how we can make use of it to expand our skill set and to gain the additional knowledge that anyways is going to add up to our industry experience of this internship semester. It was really good. Like now also the faculty has been so supportive towards the fact that whatever we're doing, if we're doing a course or if we're building something at home, they just want us to update them on a weekly basis of all the activities that have been carried out by us, which I think is pretty possible. It's pretty decent. I think that's pretty nice. So that was one. And I love the way that how they're even their social distancing or whatever, but our faculty, how they've always been there for us. And now also we just have to write a mail to them or anything, and there's a very quick response from them regarding all the doubts and difficulties which needed to be solved. So it was amazing, honestly. Like, this experience was different. Yeah, so this was my quarantine story as a proud SIT. Thank you.